Today we're diving into a super useful topic, how to craft feature-rich product reviews using ChatGPT. If you're a content creator, blogger, or just someone who loves sharing their opinions on products, this video is for you. Let's get started. Let's start by crafting on an introduction for our product review. For this example, we'll be reviewing the, let's say, XYZ smartwatch. We'll use ChatGPT to help us with this. So first, type in or put together your prompt for ChatGPT, something like this one. Write an engaging introduction for a product review of the XYZ smartwatch, highlighting its purpose and target audience. So here's how ChatGPT would process everything. Here we go. As ChatGPT generates the response, it's essential to think about what makes a good introduction. So here it is. This introduction does an excellent job of setting the stage for a detailed review. So it should, or definitely would, briefly describe the product, hint at its standout features, and identify who would benefit most from it. Next, let's dive into the features and specifications of the XYZ smartwatch. This section is crucial because it provides the technical details and features that potential buyers want to know. To make this process efficient, we'll use ChatGPT once again right here to help us generate a comprehensive list. So we'll start out the prompt for this segment like, list the key features and technical specifications of the XYZ smartwatch. So let's see how ChatGPT can assist us. As ChatGPT processes this request, so think about what makes a feature list effective. It should be detailed, yet concise, highlighting the most important aspects of the product. As you can see right here, it's really excellent right here of everything that laid out from ChatGPT itself. As you can see, it has provided us with the detailed and well-organized list. With this, we can clearly communicate the product's value to our audience. Now, after this, let's move on to the next part of our review, sharing our experience with the product's performance. Now let's share our experience with the performance of the XYZ smartwatch. This part of the review is where we can discuss how well the product lives up to its features and specifications in real-world use. We'll use ChatGPT once again to help us craft a detailed and credible performance review. We'll start by putting together a prompt, then pasting it right here in the input. So let's go with, describe the performance of the XYZ smartwatch based on its key features. Let's see how this goes. So this will help us get a comprehensive overview of how the smartwatch performs in various aspects. Here we go. As ChatGPT processes this request, consider what aspects of performance are most important to users. This can include display quality, accuracy of fitness tracking, battery life, and overall usability. As you can see, wow, pretty detailed and well-structured. Fantastic. ChatGPT has given us a detailed performance review. So by highlighting these points right here, we can effectively communicate the strengths of the XYZ smartwatch in our review. Pretty cool. Now let's identify the pros and cons of the XYZ smartwatch. This segment we're doing right now, is crucial because it provides a balanced view of the product, helping potential buyers make an informed decision. So we'll use ChatGPT once again to help us generate a comprehensive list. So let's go with, what are the pros and cons of the XYZ smartwatch? This will help us get a well-rounded perspective on the product. Here we go. As usual, it's currently processing right now, so think about what makes a pros and cons list effective. It should highlight the strengths and weaknesses in a clear, concise manner, giving viewers a quick snapshot of the product's overall performance. As you can see right here, it has everything, limited internal storage. These are the cons. No cellular connectivity, weight and size. Then proceeding up to the pros, water resistance, impressive battery life, efficient smart notifications, so on and so forth. Yeah. So if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Now, let's compare the XYZ smartwatch with a similar product on the market. This comparison is crucial for helping potential buyers understand how the XYZ smartwatch stacks up against its competitors. Again, we'll use our old friend ChatGPT to help us generate a detailed comparison. We'll start by putting together a prompt right here in the input. So here we go. Compare the XYZ smartwatch with the, let's just say, ABC smartwatch in terms of features and performance. So this will help us see where the XYZ smartwatch excels and where it might fall short. Let's go. As it's currently processing, so think about what makes a good comparison. It should highlight the key differences and similarities in features, performance, and overall value. So by highlighting these aspects, we can provide our audience with a clear understanding of how the XYZ smartwatch compares to the ABC smartwatch. This helps potential buyers make an informed decision based on their specific needs and preferences. So here we go. This is the result. This is divided into sections like customizable widgets and app support, music control, battery life, smart notifications, and etc. on the remaining features based on this comparison. Pretty cool. Now let's delve into the user experience of the XYZ smartwatch. This part of the review is essential because it focuses on how easy and enjoyable the product is to use on a daily basis. So once again, we'll use our old pal ChatGPT to help us craft a detailed description of the user interface and overall usability. So once again, let's ask describe the user interface and usability of the XYZ smartwatch. So this will help us get a comprehensive overview of what it's like to use this smartwatch. Let's go. And as you'll see right here, yeah, that looks great that you can see. So ChatGPT has provided us with a thorough and clear description of the user experience. As you can see, it's divided into sections based on the features right here. So yeah, so consider what aspects of user experience are most important by highlighting these points right here as stated right here based on ChatGPT. There we go. We can effectively communicate the strengths of the XYZ smartwatch's user experience. Let's discuss the pricing and value of the XYZ smartwatch. This section right now is vital because it helps potential buyers determine if the product is worth their investment. We'll use ChatGPT once more to help us evaluate the pricing and overall value for money. So here's the prompt that I put together. Evaluate the pricing and value for money of the XYZ smartwatch. So this will help us get a clear and balanced view of the product's cost and its justification. So let's see. Here, ChatGPT has provided a fair and comprehensive assessment. It should take into account the features, performance, and how the product compares to other similar items on the market. This balanced view helps potential buyers make an informed decision based on their budget and needs. And there you have it, a comprehensive feature-rich product review crafted using ChatGPT. That's all for today, folks. See you guys next time.